listen to Atajo Arama and that's her platform, I don't think that all of them like this our USB. No, but none of them like it. And those people that follow Atajo Arama are those that hate PM, hate this government, hate everything concerning freedom. Because you cannot go there listening to that woman, what that woman is saying concerning this newly declared government, and you can sit comfortably to listen those lies. It means that you are supporting that they don't want your freedom. Why our people are so much like this? Why are they like this? You see, Atajo Arama is like many dogs. Atajo Arama, she is like many dogs that live in many compounds. When you are going an errand, when you are going for an errand and start listening to their backing, it means that you are going to go that place late. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I said, Atajo Arama is like many dogs that lives in many compounds. If you are going for an errand, you don't need to start listening to their backing, because if you do, you cannot reach where you are going on time.
You'll be distracted.
Yes, now. You see, you cannot compare Atajo Arama with Tony Nnadi, Obielu, George Onibe, Uchemefo, who have already fought Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu neglected them, ignored them, just silent, killed all of them. All those people I mentioned now, can you compare them with Atajo Arama? You cannot. You know, there is stages in life. There is stages in life. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the stage Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was at the beginning, it's not the stage our PM was when he was with us here. It is not also the same stage which our DPM now, currently now, right? And all these stages, we have gone through them. Who is Atajo Arama? You see, if you want to deal with Atajo Arama, what you have to do, leave government out of it. Just leave our government out of it. If you want to deal with Atajo Arama, let it be individual cases. And individual cases, if Atajo Arama insulted you, you can take her case up. Let it be like that. Then allow our government to do whatever they want to do. And if you wish to debunk everything Atajo Arama is saying, let the media can debunk it. But to file Atajo Arama to court or to talk to for her to stop that, there is something our PM said before. Our PM, when our PM was countering all these DOS and all these governments, our PM said, when Biafra come, all of us will see ourselves in court. He said, when Biafra comes, all of these people go to all these governments, all these governors in our land, all these people are talking rubbish. DOS them. Say, all of us will see ourselves in court. Now, Biafra get there. Then, when you think about all these kind of things, you will understand that government are focusing on if Atajo Arama come to Finland to testify against our PM, then government have a lot of things to deal with that woman, right? Government have a lot of things, and which is she cannot even. Atajo Arama cannot even stand in dock. That's in dock as a witness. She cannot do it. And then we on again that we charo majala. Oh majala get when anti that one Fulani. Oh one indication na Yoruba, indication na Urubu. Is it Urubu? Within the Urubu, within the content. Those people that are denying their Igbo-ness, those people that are denying that they are not Igbo, are those people that are full in that Atajo Arama platform. So whenever Atajo Arama is talking those garbage from her mouth, those people are the ones that are listening to her and chatting her up. So when you talk about this kind of Atajo Arama is not an issue. Atajo Arama is not an issue. If the people think that Atajo Arama is an issue, let them deal with it. I have never listened to Atajo Arama for many months now, unless if I come for this your platform now, or I go to other Biafra platforms, etc. them, then I can be able to listen and say, did this lunatic woman speak again today? That is how I always see Atajo Arama. Because when looking at Atajo Arama face to face, all that comes to your mind is lie.